Hello people, my name is Devki and welcome to Dee's Planet. Take any of the regular shampoos available in the market today and you will find one common ingredient in most of them. That ingredient is SLS or sodium lauryl sulfate. It is this ingredient which is responsible for adding that rich lather when you apply shampoo to damp hair. However, there is another side to this chemical. SLS is known to be a skin irritant. Clinical studies have shown that prolonged use of SLS can even damage your hair or scalp. And mind you, SLS is just one of the many chemicals which are present in your regular shampoo. Also, as far as I know, a shampoo was supposed to be a simple liquid meant to remove dirt and oil from our scalps. And it's not like we are working in coal mines and are covered in oil and dirt that needs to be cleaned, right? Then my simple question is, why do we need such harsh chemicals in a simple shampoo? Now I have been looking to find the right shampoo for my hair from a really long time. I've tried the herbal ones as well as the non-herbal ones, and somehow I never could find the right one that suits me. So one day I said enough is enough. If I wanted to keep any hair on my scalp, I had to take things in my own hands, and that meant coming up with my own shampoo recipe, because then I would be sure of exactly what goes in. So today's video is exactly about that. I'm going to demonstrate a very simple shampoo recipe that has worked for my frizzy and thin hair. It may not look as exotic as the commercial shampoos. It also does not lather as much, but trust me, it does the job much better. And the best part, it is also zero waste. So without wasting any more time, let's directly dive into the recipe to see how to make this. Dry Shikakai Pods adds a natural shine to your hair. It helps in reducing hair loss. Hibiscus flower and the leaves of the hibiscus plant. So they naturally condition your hair. They contain vitamin C and amino acids. The hibiscus flower helps in blood circulation under your scalp, which in turn promotes hair growth. Fenugreek or methi seeds. They have high protein and nicotinic acid content, which are known to be beneficial against hair fall and dandruff and in treating hair dryness, baldness and hair thinning. Neem leaves. Neem has antifungal, antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. Neem also helps hair follicles to become strong, which in turn promotes hair growth. Finally, soapnut. This is my present favorite fruit. It is the fruit of the Reetha tree. Soapnut is what adds lather to your shampoo, and it's a natural cleaner. Take a container filled with some water in which you will start adding all the dry ingredients one by one. First goes in the Shikakai pods. 5 to 6 are enough. Next, I will add 4 to 5 hibiscus flowers and 5 to 6 fresh leaves of the hibiscus plant. Next, I will add 2 neem leaves, 2 teaspoons of fenugreek, and finally 10 to 12 soap nuts. Please note that there are no fixed proportions as such, but we need to add enough quantity of each ingredient so that our shampoo gets the benefit of all. Now you need to store this overnight and let all the ingredients soak up really well. So let us meet tomorrow morning to see what's to be done next. So this has been soaking well overnight. Now you need to de-seed the soap nuts, which is separating the seeds from the outer cover. Since the soap nuts have been soaking overnight in water, you can easily de-seed them with hands. This is done so that we extract maximum saponin from the soap nuts. Now we are going to shift this container onto the gas stove and keep it on a medium flame. Once it starts to boil, reduce the flame and let it simmer until it reduces in volume. You will see a lot of froth because of the soap nuts. After a few minutes of boiling, you will find that it reduces in volume. Turn off the flame and let it cool. Take a sieve and filter out the liquid. Use the spoon to squeeze out as much pulp as you can, or you can even use your hands if you're comfortable. The pulp is going to end up in our compost, while this brown liquid is going to be our hair shampoo. To use this shampoo, you will need to wet your hair and just pour it directly onto your scalp. Mind you, this shampoo is not going to be as thick as the regular shampoos. In fact, it's going to be a little runny, but don't worry, it's still very effective. Just make sure that you cover all your hair with the shampoo, keep it on for a few minutes and then rinse it off with plain water. Personally, since using this shampoo, I have found that my hair fall has drastically reduced and it's also made my hair really smooth and soft. So that's it guys. Do give this recipe a try. Like always, remember to like, share and subscribe. The name of the channel is Dee's Planet and this is Devki signing off. Bye-bye.